Painting Playshops during the upcoming spring sessions will be totally different from the previous ones. These new sessions will be about having fun making artworks that are exceptionally creative and everlasting. They will take painting discovery to the next level as everyone creates images that illustrate famous idioms from various cultures around the world. The artworks will include vivid imagery and symbolism that convey engaging and memorable messages. Painting idioms are fun and unique, especially when they are created as bizarre images that have intelligent and useful meaning. Because idioms don't always make sense literally, these paintings will make the viewers become visually familiarized with the meaning and usage of each idiom. Paintings that will be created during 10 Playshop sessions will be featured in weekly artistic videos on YouTube that will inspire the viewers to share them with friends on various social media. Here are several visual idioms that have been created previously by Playshop participants. Unheard melody expresses the feeling that your thoughts and emotions go unnoticed or unappreciated, as if your words fall on deaf ears. Good grief is an idiom that expresses the feeling of surprise and annoyance in response to an unexpected and upsetting event. Raining cats and dogs means it is raining unusually or extremely hard. Let the cat out of the bag stands for allowing a secret to be known, usually without your intention. The sky where we live is no place to lose your wings, so love. It is a verse of Hafiz stating that love is like the wings of a bird that helps us not only stay in our course, but to soar and glide. Beauty is in the eye of the beholder, indicates that the perception of beauty is subjective. Sparkle of the light in the heart of the darkness represents understanding or relief from darkness or ignorance. Happiness is in a way of travel, not a destination. Indicates that success is not necessarily the key to happiness. Happiness is the key to success. Too much of a good thing is a bad thing, means something that is good in smaller quantities can become bad in a bigger magnitude. Bite your tongue means to stop yourself from saying something because you realize it might cause an insult or could be harmful. Storm in a teacup describes a situation in which people are very angry or upset about something that is not important. Surrender has multiple meanings, including giving up, yielding, or submitting to something or the power of someone. Don't throw the baby out with the bath water is an expression for an unwanted error in which something of value is eliminated when trying to get rid of what is annoying. Like a fish out of the water is the description of a person who feels awkward or unhappy because of being in a situation that is not familiar or feeling of being different from other people around. Like a bridge over troubled water is a metaphor for someone living through a trying time in life who has to sacrifice and persevere to find a way through difficulty. They thought they could bury us, not knowing we are seeds, is saying that no matter how much hatred, chosen ignorance, and terrorism is used, those who are being persecuted will prevail. The magic touch describes a special power, influence, or skill that can be seen in the way that something is done.